Welcome to English with Aaron. This topic, cooking and cooking shows. Let's start. Key vocabulary: culinary skills, improve, recreate, competition, intense, dish, popular, recipe, baking, pressure. Let's read. First paragraph. Culinary skills. Many of us either can cook or wish we could cook. How good are you at cooking? What is the best dish you can make? How did you learn to cook? Lockdown cooking. During lockdown, many people found time to improve their cooking skills. Do you feel you improved your cooking skills during lockdown? If you wanted to improve your cooking skills, how would you learn? Cooking shows. There are many cooking shows on TV, on YouTube, and they are very popular. Which cooking shows have you seen on TV or YouTube? Which are your favorites? Send me some recommendations. Have you ever or would you ever try to recreate a recipe you saw somewhere? How did it go, if you did? Competition cooking. Baking and cooking competitions on TV are known for being intense and full of pressure. Would you like to be in a baking competition or a cooking competition? Why or why not? What dish can you cook that you think would win a competition? Could you cook under pressure? Think in English. Share your thoughts. Enjoy learning.